Hey, today I want to share with you our bread pan that we're using. This is a Calphalon non-stick loaf pan. It's 8.5 inch by 4.5 inch. And one thing I like about this is heavy duty steel. And it's got this toffee colored finish on it, which is basically non-stick. And another thing too that I like too is this rolled edges on here, so it doesn't warp or anything when it's in the oven. And another thing too, this is dishwasher safe, so you can, once you're done, you can actually just put it in your dishwasher and wash and clean it up, or you can hand wash it if you want to. And when you're baking this, now this thing, you can basically go up to about 450 degrees is what they suggest. And I have another one that I use, so I'm very well pleased with these. Another thing that I like about it is it comes with a full 10-year warranty. And so anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. It's an 8.5 by 4.5 inch loaf pan. We're going to get this washed and cleaned up. They actually come with a little recipe underneath the paperwork on this. So it has, this particular one has an apricot loaf cake recipe that comes with it. So I'm going to get this washed and cleaned up. And today I'm making sourdough bread, and I'm going to get ready and let my bread rise and then bake it off. All right, I've got my sourdough bread in my pan. Now, one thing I did, some people actually put parchment paper in theirs. I don't do that on this type of loaf pan. You don't necessarily need to. I just sprayed it with some oil. You can use butter or oil or whatever you want to use. I just used some light olive oil. And once I got the paperwork out of the pan that I was showing you that I cleaned up, on the very back of it, here's this apricot loaf cake recipe, and it also has the use and care instructions on here of what you need to do to take care of this, and then the 10-year warranty. So we've got this ready. We're going to let it rise for about 6 hours or so, and we're going to bake it off. And once we get it baked off, I'm going to show you what this looks like and how easy it is to come out of this pan. All right, well, we've let our bread rise overnight. It didn't rise as much as I wanted it to, but it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and bake it off. So I'm going to go ahead and get this put in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And as soon as this bakes off, we'll bring it back out and let it cool and show you how easy it is to take these out of these pans. All right, well, our bread has baked in the oven, and I just want to show you how easy it is for your bread to remove from these Calphalon loaf pans. I mean, it's just so simple. Once you bake it and let it cool on your cooling rack, you just kind of just drop it out. And you can see there's very little residue left in here, so you can easily hand wash this, or like I said, you can actually wash these in a dishwasher, but it's just as easy to wash them by hand. And so we hope this has been helpful. Be sure and click the link below and find out more about it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.